Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how I make this delicious salsa that I basically use for everything. And I mean everything. From tacos, burritos, quesadillas, on my eggs, literally everything. My favorite is with chips. So let's start off here. What I'll be doing here is just laying down some foil paper. And you can double this recipe, of course. I'm using 2 jalapeños, and you can use 1 jalapeno, 1 serrano, or 2 jalapeños, whatever you like. I'm adding 3 roma tomatoes, 2 garlic cloves, and a piece of onion. And I will be drizzling this with some olive oil. Now I already have my comal heating up over on the stove. And here I'm just going to kind of close this foil together just like this. And that's pretty much just to keep everything there so it doesn't float around everywhere. So on to the stove we go. Now I don't have this on high heat. I pretty much have it like on a medium heat. We don't want these to burn. We just want to roast them a little bit. And here I am just going to roast it. And every now and then, turning these around. You want to get a good char on all of this. And it really doesn't take much time. Not much time at all. And here it's pretty much roasted already. So when you see it like this, you want to remove it. And I'm going to be using a small blender for this. And just remove everything and put it in the blender. This salsa is actually pretty quick to make. So make it every time because you will love it, seriously. And once I have all that in there, I did cut off the stems off of those jalapeños. I'm adding probably like a tablespoon of that chicken knorr, and I added a little bit of water. I'm going to blend this well once. I'm going to stop and then shake it. And I'm giving another good blend. And then I'm going to add some cilantro. And I'm going to blend it, but barely. You want some of that cilantro to show on there. And there's your salsa. Pretty easy, pretty delicious. I hope you all like this video. Bye.